Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, giving you valuable information that the media hides from you. Please, so you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work. The sun, a constant presence in our sky, has guided humanity for millennia. We trust it as a life-giving star, the center of our solar system, and the source of light and energy. Yet, some theories challenge this fundamental belief. What if the sun, as we perceive it, is not a star at all, but a hologram? The holographic sun theory is one of the most controversial ideas in modern speculation. Proponents argue that the sun's behavior, appearance, and properties may not align with traditional astrophysics. They suggest that what we see is a projection, a controlled image created to manipulate human perception of the universe. Some point to anomalies in solar observation, fluctuations in brightness, unexplained solar phenomena, and inconsistencies in recorded data raise questions. Could these irregularities indicate artificial manipulation, as if someone or something were maintaining a perfect illusion in the sky? Historical records add to the mystery. Ancient civilizations worshipped the sun, attributing immense power and divinity to it. Some theorists argue that these cultures may have known something. Modern science does not perhaps evidence that the sun was an artificial construct, a projection designed to influence human perception. Observers note that the sun appears as a perfect sphere, with no noticeable texture or variation from the human perspective. While science explains this as the result of immense gravity and fusion processes, hologram theorists argue that the uniformity could indicate projection technology, designed to maintain a consistent visual appearance. Satellite imagery sometimes reveals strange solar anomalies. Spots, flares, and emissions appear in patterns that defy conventional models. Skeptics argue these are natural solar events. But proponents of the hologram theory believe they are glitches in a vast projection system, perhaps maintained by unknown forces. The sun's distance and size are based on measurements derived from indirect methods. Some theorists suggest these calculations could be manipulated or misinterpreted. If the sun were a hologram, our entire understanding of astronomy, physics, and the solar system might be based on an illusion, carefully curated to maintain a controlled worldview. Experiments on solar behavior, including observations of eclipses and light refraction, occasionally yield puzzling results. Some claim these phenomena are inconsistent with the presence of a traditional star. Instead, supporting the idea that the sun is a projected image designed to simulate expected stellar activity. The implications of a holographic sun are profound. It would suggest a level of technological sophistication far beyond what humanity currently possesses. Who could create such a projection? Some theorists point to advanced extraterrestrial civilizations, while others suggest hidden human projects, perhaps overseen by powerful global elites. If the sun is a hologram, it raises questions about the cosmos itself. Are other celestial bodies also projections? Could the night sky, planets, and galaxies be part of an elaborate simulation designed to shape our understanding of the universe? The holographic sun theory intersects with other controversial ideas, including simulation theory and controlled reality hypotheses. Proponents argue that we live in a carefully orchestrated environment, where fundamental natural elements are manipulated to maintain the illusion of a predictable, stable universe. Supporters of the theory often cite ancient texts and folklore. Stories of strange solar behavior, appearances of multiple suns, or periods of darkness are interpreted as evidence that the sun's true nature may have been different in the past. Could historical anomalies hint at a time when the projection was altered, repaired, or even revealed? Light and heat from the sun are central to life on Earth. If the sun is a hologram, how does this energy manifest? Some theorists suggest that energy could be projected alongside the image, a controlled simulation that mimics the properties of a star, providing warmth and light without the presence of actual fusion. Anomalous solar events, such as coronal mass ejections and magnetic field reversals, are often cited by proponents. While conventional science offers explanations, theorists argue these could also be artifacts of a projection system, unintentional glitches in the maintenance of a vast cosmic illusion. Some point to the apparent stability of the sun over millennia. The star appears remarkably consistent in its cycle, a fact that has puzzled astronomers seeking to model stellar evolution. Hologram theorists suggest this consistency is evidence of careful control, preventing natural variations that would disrupt life on Earth. The sun's interaction with satellites and space probes also raises questions. Some observations report unusual interference patterns, reflections, and anomalies that cannot be fully explained by conventional astrophysics. Could these be interactions with a projected surface rather than a natural star? If the sun is a hologram, it could be part of a larger system designed to manipulate human consciousness. The projection may be intended to maintain perception of a stable, predictable environment, discouraging questions about the true nature of reality and the cosmos. Technology required for a holographic sun would be beyond anything publicly known. It implies mastery of energy projection, light manipulation, and large-scale environmental control. Who possesses such technology, and why would it be deployed to simulate a star? Skeptics argue that there is no evidence to support the theory, and that conventional astronomy explains all observed phenomena. Yet anomalies, historical accounts, and unexplained patterns continue to provoke curiosity and speculation, keeping the theory alive in alternative scientific and conspiracy communities. The philosophical implications are equally profound. If the sun is not real, it challenges the foundation of human understanding about the universe, physics, and life itself. It suggests that reality may be far more controlled and less independent than previously thought. The holographic sun theory also intersects with spiritual interpretations. Some propose that humanity has been shielded from understanding cosmic truths, with the sun serving as a symbol of control, maintaining the illusion of a natural order while obscuring deeper realities. Evidence cited includes patterns in solar flares, unusual light dispersion, and irregularities in sunlight distribution. While conventional science offers explanations, proponents argue that these anomalies are consistent with projection artifacts, supporting the idea of a controlled image rather than a natural star. Historical solar observations, eclipses, and legends of multiple suns are re-examined through this lens. Could these phenomena indicate past manipulation of the solar projection? Are ancient records pointing to a time when the illusion was altered or broken? The implications for humanity are staggering. If the sun is a hologram, all life on Earth has existed under an artificial sky, dependent on controlled energy and manipulated light. It challenges the core of natural science, astronomy, and human understanding of the cosmos. In conclusion, the theory that the sun is a hologram is one of the most radical and intriguing ideas in modern speculation. While controversial, it invites questions about reality, control, and the limits of human perception. Whether true or not, it challenges us to reconsider the universe as we know it. Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, giving you valuable information that the media hides from you. Please, so you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work.